Hey there, DIY lovers! Welcome back to your channel name, your ultimate destination for home organization, stylish DIYs, and budget-friendly transformations. Today we're tackling a high-traffic area of your home, your gas stove and kitchen corners. Are you tired of boring, outdated kitchen spaces? Want to add both functionality and style to your stove area? Looking for creative ways to utilize empty corners in your kitchen? Then you're in the right place. What you'll learn today: how to upgrade your gas stove for a sleek, modern look, creative ways to maximize corner spaces for better storage, DIY backsplash and heat-resistant decor hacks, genius tricks to keep your stove area clean and clutter-free, budget-friendly solutions that will elevate your entire kitchen. Bonus: these ideas work even for small kitchens and rental-friendly spaces. Before we jump in, don't forget to like this video if you love stylish kitchen makeovers, subscribe for more home improvement hacks, hit the bell icon so you never miss a new upload. Now, let's get started and turn your kitchen into a chef's dream space. Y'all, let's talk about those gas stoves. They're amazing for cooking, but that open space when they're not in use? Not so much. It's like a blank canvas just begging for a little something special. That's where a custom stove cover comes in. First things first, grab your trusty measuring tape. We need to get the exact width and length of your stovetop. Write it down, double-check it. We want this cover to fit like a glove. Head to your local lumberyard or home improvement store. You'll need a sturdy piece of wood, like butcher block or plywood, cut to the dimensions you just measured. Once you have your wood cut, it's time to give it a little love. Sand down those edges until they're smooth as butter. Now for the fun part, adding some personality, you can go for a classic farmhouse look with a coat of white paint, or maybe a rich stain that brings out the natural beauty of the wood. And don't forget a heat-resistant sealant to protect your masterpiece from any cooking mishaps. To make your life even easier, attach a couple of handles to the sides of your stove cover. These will make it a breeze to lift on and off, especially when those pots and pans are calling your name. Last but not least, let's add some non-slip pads to the bottom of your cover. This will prevent it from sliding around and protect your stovetop from any scratches. Now let's talk about spices. They are the heart and soul of any good meal, but they can also create quite the clutter in your kitchen. I don't know about y'all, but I can never seem to find the right spice when I need it. That's why I love this next hack. It's all about maximizing vertical space and keeping those spices within arm's reach while you're cooking up a storm. What you'll need for this project is a magnetic spice rack. You can find these online or at most home goods stores. They come in all shapes and sizes, so you're sure to find one that fits your style and your space. Once you have your spice rack, it's time to gather up those spices. Now, you can either transfer your spices into small magnetic tins, which I personally love because they look so cute and organized, or you can simply attach magnets to the back of your existing spice jars. Now comes the fun part: organizing. I like to arrange my spices alphabetically, but you can do whatever works best for you. Maybe you want to group them by cuisine or by how often you use them. And there you have it, a stylish and functional spice rack that will keep your spices organized and within easy reach. Chapter 3. Let's be honest, the area behind our stoves often takes a beating. Oil splatters, tomato sauce stains, it's a kitchen hazard. But fear not, friends, because a DIY backsplash is here to save the day. It not only protects your walls from those inevitable cooking splatters, but it also adds a touch of personality and charm to your kitchen. Now, there are a few different ways you can go about creating your backsplash. If you're going for a classic look, you can't go wrong with subway tile. It's timeless, it's elegant, and it's surprisingly easy to install yourself. If you're feeling a little more adventurous, you could try a mosaic tile backsplash. This is a great way to add some color and pattern to your kitchen, and it's a fun project for a weekend afternoon. For a more modern and industrial feel, consider using stainless steel sheets for your backsplash. It's sleek, it's easy to clean, and it complements stainless steel appliances beautifully. And there you have it, a beautiful and functional backsplash that will protect your walls and elevate the entire look of your kitchen. Chapter 4. Now let's talk about those often neglected kitchen corners. They're like little pockets of potential just waiting to be utilized. And one of my favorite ways to do that is by adding a floating corner shelf. It's a simple project that can make a big impact, both in terms of functionality and style. First things first, you'll need to measure your corner space carefully. Once you have your measurements, you can either purchase a pre-made corner shelf or have one custom cut to fit perfectly. If you're handy with tools, you can even make your own. Once you have your shelf, it's time to choose the perfect spot to hang it. Before you hang your shelf, take some time to style it up. Add some decorative items like plants, candles, or a cute little clock. And there you have it, a stylish and functional corner shelf that maximizes your kitchen space and adds a touch of personality to your decor. Chapter 5. Let's face it, cleaning the stovetop is nobody's favorite chore. It's messy, it's time-consuming, and it often involves a lot of scrubbing. But what if I told you there's a way to make this dreaded task a whole lot easier? Enter stove liners. These handy little helpers are designed to catch spills and splatters before they have a chance to bake onto your stovetop, making cleanup a breeze. Now, there are a couple of different types of stove liners on the market. You can find disposable liners that you simply toss out when they're dirty, or you can opt for reusable liners that can be washed and reused multiple times. To use a stove liner, simply place it over your stovetop burners, making sure it fits snugly around each burner. And that's it. No more scrubbing, no more harsh chemicals. Just a clean and sparkling stovetop with minimal effort. And there you have it. 5 stylish and practical hacks to elevate your gas stove area and kitchen corners. I hope these ideas have inspired you to tackle some of your own kitchen upgrades. Remember, even small changes can make a big difference in the look and feel of your home. Comment below. Which hack is your favorite? I love hearing your feedback and seeing your creations. Like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe for more budget-friendly DIYs. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching, and remember, a well-organized kitchen makes cooking more enjoyable. See you next time.